How to recover deleted photos and videos from Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn on how to recover deleted photos and videos from Snapchat. So without further ado, let's begin. Open the Snapchat app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Proceed by tapping Bitmoji icon at top left corner. Now tap on gear icon at top right to access settings. Then you will require to scroll down to the bottom of your screen. Then choose the option of My Data at bottom. Then you can easily select the data to include. Simply you need to check mark the small circle like icon and select Next button. Then you have to submit the request entering the email and the date range. Now Snapchat will send you a link to your email. You can click the link to download your data and recover your deleted photos, videos and chats. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.